Do you want to make your first $10,000 in a month online? Have you done that yet? If you haven't done that yet, I'm highly encouraging you to be in the mastermind meeting tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's a lot of people out there claiming that they know how to do something because they know how to regurgitate it. But unless you've gotten the results from the information that you're regurgitating, you're perpetrating. You need to be inside of the mastermind, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I want to warn you, the doors are closing at 8:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which means after that time, nobody will be able to get in. You want to invite your family and your friends. Sit down, come learn from an individual that's actually living solely off the internet. And I've been doing so for over a decade. If these other people are telling you that they make money online, but they still clocking in at a job, they are trash. They are just regurgitating somebody else's information that they stole from a mastermind. You want to be inside of the Web Asset Group. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to push you. I'm going to encourage you to go for more. I'm going to cause you to think. I'm going to cause you to analyze your whole entire business strategy. You want to be in the mastermind, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And oh, did I mention it's for free? And oh, did I also mention that I'm the only online guru that's not going to try to upsell you on anything because I don't even like talking to people that much in the first place? Tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is Robbie Cornelius, webassetgroup.com.